Hey, welcome on YouTube. This is the episode 2 of our Journey to Mastering Forex series on YouTube, and the last session was about break of structures, and today I want to talk about break of structures and change of characters. So, like I already said, the abbreviation for break of structure is BOS, which is this. This is BOS. It simply means break of structure. And this CHOCH simply means change of character. So now you'll be wondering what break of structure is, right? I have a proper definition set for it. Yeah. So I wrote down here, I said, what is break of structure? Break of structure simply means when market price keeps breaking previous highs or lows following the current market trend. Emphasis on current market trend, right? You place more emphasis on that. And also, what does change of character means? If we know the meaning of break of structure, we should also know the meaning of change of character. Now, what is change of character? I wrote down here, I said change of character simply means when this is like the simplest of definition I'm trying to give up here. Change of character simply means when market price breaks below previous low or high, indicating a change in the current market trend. That is bullish to bearish. Bullish to what? Bearish. And vice versa. And bearish to bullish. So this is, I'm going to do a drawing here. Market price high, low, high, low. This is a bullish structure, and from the last video I said this is the break of structure. This is the break of structure. This is the break of structure. This is yet another break of structure, right? And now the whole change comes in now when price fails to break. Now this is a bullish momentum. You'll be expecting price to do what again? To break this high and continue, right? But in a case where price does not break this high now and continue, price comes down now to break this previous low, which is this one now. Price comes to break this previous low like this and goes up and come down again to break this low and goes up again and comes down to break this low. It simply means that as at this point, here being the last low, this is where the change of character happened. I don't know if you get this scenario. This is where this change of character happened, and this is now the bearish break of structure. Price was now breaking structure to the downside. So it simply means you'll be looking for sales in this kind of situation, right? So how do you identify a break of structure? Mind you, how do you identify a break of structure? It is one thing to identify break of structure, and it is another thing to know how valid the break of structure you are identifying is. And I'm going to use a random pair as usual. From here now, we can see that price broke structure to the upside. Price broke structure to the upside. Price came here again, broke structure to the upside. So what would you be expecting? You'll be expecting that put this. What would you be expecting? You'll be expecting that price will continue to break structure. Price was supposed to come down here and break above this high to continue the bullish movement, right? Being that it's been bullish. But see what price did now. Price came and failed to break this high, and then price broke below this last low and then went up, created a high, low, high, low, higher, a low, a high, and it's obviously going to create another low again. It simply means that this is now a bearish structure. And if you look from this other perspective, this other angle, see, created a high, low, high, low, high, low, high. This is a low. Let's say this is the low, and created this high. So this is a bullish structure. And then you see that price failed to take out this high. Price failed to take out this high, thereby taking out this low. Do you understand? Price failed to take out the high, thereby taking out this low, and this is now the change of character. This is now the change of character. I'm going to give you another scenario. Let me use another scenario. Let me use xauusd for example. I trade xauusd a lot, so let me show you what a bullish momentum is like. So for xauusd now, let's see, we're having this nice bullish movement, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Supposed to create another high, but now you see that price failed to create that that high, and now price came now, tapped below this low, broke below it, created another high, and started going low. I seen it. So this is where the change of character happened. I seen it. This is it. This is where the change of character happened. So for you to how do you identify a valid change of character? I think I wrote that down. How to identify a valid change of character and a valid break of structure. So what validates a break of structure is full body candle closure. A full body candle closure validates a break of structure. For example, if I would say this is a valid break of structure because there was a full body candle closure, right? There was a full body candle closure. You see, price broke above it with a full body candle closure, and this is another valid break of structure here because there was a full body candle closure. Do you understand? This is what validates a break of structure. And also another thing that validates a change of character, one thing that validates a change of character is, this is now a change of character. What validates a change of character is it must be at a key level. In my next video, I'll be talking about key levels. A change of character must be happening around a key level. Key levels are possible reversal zones, are possible zones in the market that you see that price might react off. Do you understand? Those are key levels. I don't want to make this video long, but if you have any question, please drop the questions in the comment section, and I'll do well to respond to it. And also like this video and subscribe to this video. Like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more of this kind of videos.